everyone! So today I'm going to clean my kitchen counter! Good morning everyone! So today I'm going to clean my countertop and the sink. Lalo na yung ilalim ng dish rack kasi hindi ko naman abot yan para mapunasan. So I'm going to use just the dish soap, sponge, and brush and cloth. Gumamit din ako ng bleach, konting-konti lang. It's diluted in water para ma-disinfect na din. Cleaning your kitchen is very, very important because this is where we prepare our food. Because the kitchen is the only room in the house that is prone to growth and development of disease-causing bacteria and also pests. Ayan, so ulitin ko lang yung pagsasabon, this time using a sponge. So before beginning cooking, we have to make sure na disinfect natin yung countertops, tables, and other surfaces in the kitchen. Yung pagtanggal ko ng dish rack, ginagawa ko yan mga once in 2 weeks kasi hindi ko talaga abot yung ilalim. Pero yung the rest of the surfaces, nalilinis ko naman yan every time before and after cooking and after meals. Because we always have to remember that when there is food, there's also bacteria. So if ever may natapon ng mga liquid or mga tirang pagkain, we really need to clean it immediately or disinfect it immediately para to discourage the growth of bacteria. I will do a video next time kung paano ako gumagawa ng DIY household disinfectant. Kasi para sa akin, hindi naman ako bumibili ng mga expensive disinfectant. So, I make my own DIY solution. Madali lang naman siya. Bleach lang, konting bleach lang, tapos diluted in water. That's going to be a very, very powerful disinfectant. So, in this video, as you can see, lagyan ko muna siya ng sabon, like yung dish soap with water, and then I'll pour in my disinfectant, that's with bleach with water then, and then I will scrub with a brush, and then after that, wipe down, and then apply dish soap again using a sponge, and then wipe it down again. And we are done. So we can put back the dish rack and all the other items we have sa countertop. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.